Are you frustrated because Cash App won't let you receive money? Don't worry. In this quick video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix it and start getting your payments again. First, let's start with some basic troubleshooting. Make sure you have a strong internet connection. Cash App needs a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data signal to process transactions. Next, head over to your App Store or Google Play Store and check for any pending updates for Cash App. Updating to the latest version often solves most glitches. If it still doesn't work, close the app completely, reopen it, or even restart your phone. You'd be surprised how often a simple reboot fixes these issues. Now let's check your account and settings. Open Cash App, tap your profile icon, and check your account balance. If there's a problem with your balance, you may not be able to receive funds. Scroll down to Limits and see if you've hit your monthly receiving cap. If you have, you'll need to verify your identity by adding your full name, date of birth, and SSN to unlock higher limits. Also, check that neither you nor the sender has accidentally blocked each other, and review your privacy settings to make sure incoming requests are allowed. If you have a connected bank account, it's worth calling your bank to make sure they aren't declining Cash App transactions. If you've tried all these steps and still can't receive money, the last step is to contact Cash App support directly through the app or their official website. They can look into your specific account and get you back on track. And that's it. By following these steps, you can usually solve the problem in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe for more helpful Cash App tutorials, and check the description for more tips and resources.